Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 11th of April. A pretty good soaking for the state tonight, but the good news, the chance of severe weather looks pretty small. Check the water vapor satellite view. Had an air mass change over the past 24 hours. Very moist air moving in here. But the main trough is to the north of here. And yes, it is raining. Rain really ahead of schedule. Pretty widespread by afternoon across the northern half of the state. That was the radar at 2:39. Thunderstorms over parts of the Black Belt region over into West Alabama's Pickens and Lamar counties. And we'll just see a lot of rain tonight with some thunder. Temperatures are in the 60s for the most part. Birmingham at 62, but Montgomery's at 77. They're still dry. You can tell it's April. We've got freeze warnings for parts of the Midwest and severe thunderstorm problems down to the south of the cold air. That is a severe thunderstorm watch until 7 for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas. That's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. An enhanced risk around the Arklatex, Shreveport, Texarkana, Tyler, Longview. The slight risk runs into Mississippi, mainly west of Interstate 55. A marginal risk into extreme West Alabama for late tonight. And then tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks. One for South Texas, although there's a small slight risk near the Rio Grande. And a marginal risk for some of the Gulf Coast region. In Alabama, that marginal risk is south of a line from Thomasville to about Eufaula. Up here, maybe some lingering thunder tomorrow morning, but no severe weather expected for the northern half of the state. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning, and this is suggesting rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches. And a lot of that will be tonight. So let's dive in. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. The big trough is rotating well to the north. The new trough is over West Texas. And what that should do is probably spin up a wave of low pressure on the stalled front, keeping the weather here a little unsettled through midweek. Tomorrow, the broad surface low should begin to move northeast, but I think the bulk of the rain will be in the morning. This is the high-res NAM at 12 noon, and at that point, the most of the rain should be over for the northern half of the state, the rain shifting down into South Alabama. So rain ending tomorrow morning. If we're lucky, maybe a few peaks of sun tomorrow afternoon. This is Wednesday, and again, the front stalls, and a little wave forms on the front, and there could be a few scattered showers about, but probably not too much rain. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock Wednesday, suggesting, maybe a few showers, but probably not that many, and perhaps the better coverage of rain across the southern half of the state. Thursday, again, the weather unsettled, a lot of clouds, a chance of showers, but not an all-day rain. And the high Thursday will likely be in the upper 60s. And Friday, we trend drier. I'm tempted to just go with a dry forecast, which is what we have now. But I guess you might consider a slight chance of a stray shower. But obviously, rain should not be a big problem. And again, the high will be in the 60s. And then Saturday, we warm up into the 70s. The sky should be bright and sunny. In fact, it looks like a beautiful weekend. Sunday, sunshine in full supply with a high in the mid-70s, maybe upper 70s in spots. And a week from today, Monday the 18th, ridging beginning to build in, dry and warm. We might be pushing 80 by Monday of next week. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, April 21st. Kind of a broad northwest flow aloft. This is just suggesting maybe a weak boundary is around here, but again, rain based on that would not be especially widespread. And the good news, we don't see any significant severe weather risk over the next 10 days. Here's the the temperature anomalies coming from CPC, April 19th through April 25th, above average for much of the country. And you can see we are indeed warming up. After this week, maybe mid-80s by April 24th and 25th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.